Hi guys, here is a fresh colorful veggie platter with hummus, perfect for managing diabetes. Each of these veggies supports blood sugar control in its own way. Let's go through them as we build up the platter. We have bell peppers, especially the red ones. They are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. They help reduce inflammation, which is very important for managing diabetes. They also bring in color and crunch, and because they are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, they help reduce inflammation. Next, we have cucumbers. They are super hydrating and very low in carbs. They help with digestion and can help keep you feeling full without spiking your blood sugar. They're so refreshing and it's low in calories and carbs. Alright, it makes it a very good blood sugar friendly snack. So while you're done cutting that, you're going to place it with the other ones you've cut and then set it aside. Next, we have carrots. Carrots are naturally sweet but low in carbs. They are very high in fiber and vitamin A, which helps support eye health, and it's a big plus for people with diabetes. So carrots can be quite sweet, but don't mind that because believe me, it's very low in carbs, okay? And it's quite filled up with fiber and it's a good source of vitamin A. So if you're having eye problem, try to eat as much carrot as you can. It really does help. Next, we have cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes because they are very rich in lycopene and have a low glycemic index. Okay, they support heart health and don't cause big blood sugar jumps. Okay, so you can eat this without fearing that it's going to cause you a big blood sugar jump. And now in the center, we are going to place our hummus. It's a very good source of healthy fats and it's plant-based protein, okay, which helps slow down how quickly sugar enters the blood. This platter is very satisfying, is very tasty, and is great for blood sugar balance. Try it as a snack or a light lunch, or you can even serve it at your next gathering. It's so wonderful. It's so diabetes friendly, so just give it a try, okay? You really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.